THIRIKARI ni uretwa gutigira mutaratara JUMWERU jwa KITHOMO ni jujwa CBC ni jugweta na mbere ora kubatere kienda kuingia kionekea moto tiki Professor George Magoha kiara kirima mbraza gukungwera umbani KITHOMO ndene skuru mwentere chechuka mwandiki munene wakana mwandiki mauku wa urewijikene munota waria Teddy augete buntu bobo gatethira kinya kugunana maskuru nene ara no mwarimu munene wa skuru ira mamburaja jakarikite no Charles Dirango oretia chiari kurekeria ana baba mbe gotonya kirima antu kinya jegie kukuria bia Samuel Gaishma na chotadede.
Ikiathoni ya kwejana biegwa kiri aritwa chukuru ya primary ya Precious Bonanza Chuka iranio iratongorete kigironi ya KCPE ndeni ya sub-county ya Chuka na iri namba ithatu ndeni ya county ya Tharaka-Nithi aramwandiki mabuku kuma ikundi kia Africa Stocking waria Teddy auritie machukuru kugwatira bwega mutaratara wa CBC ura akuganwa kiguni kiri KITHOMO ntugo ino. Teddy ariuga nkuruki kugwatira mutaratara ojo ikwagite jo mutotigi minister wa tene wa KITHOMO Professor George Magoha oranwe achuamberie.
As Kenya buries an educational icon, the late Professor George Omore Magoha, who started and implemented CBC in Kenya, as we lay him to rest today, we know great schools like Precious Bonanza will be exemplary in executing his dream, which is to have a functional competence-based curriculum.
Nauritie thirikari ichwenjera ya kugaiga muririkana wa Magoha nuntu bawira inene era arutire nthiguru.
Not only to remember and help complete this particular competence-based curriculum, but also to create a scholarship or multiple scholarships in his honor, and also name the University Towers of University in Nairobi after the late Professor George Omore Magoha for everything he started, he completed.
Charles Dirango oranwe mwerekerio wa chukuru ino na kathiritie mutaratara uyu wa CBC no ntoba kuthomithia talanta.
Tunajua kwamba CBC imetoa wanafunzi kwa vitabu peke yake. CBC nataka watoto wafanye kutenda. And one way of exposing children is through extracurricular activities. Whether is it drama, is it taekwondo, is it skating, all those activities. And all those activities we have them here.
Ariuria achiari batikagirie anabago kuthongira kirimi chetho bakiugaga ikagiria barotha bwega igerioni.
Kuna wazazi wanakataza watoto wakisema ni kupoteza wakati. Dunia hii imeenda kwa talent. Wale wanapata mishahara mikubwa na wana pesa. Akina Diamond na wengine, Eric Omodi na wale wakibiaji wana pesa nyingi kutokana na talanta walizonazo. Kwa hivyo tusaidie watoto wajue pathways zao mapema ili tuweze kuwajenga na kuwasaidia.
Engineer Felix Kimani Kariuki kuma Global Data for Agriculture Nutrition numwe wa ageni baraba itigite kiatho giki.
Kwa leo tumepatiana scholarship katika hii shule ya Precious Bonanza, walimu wote waweze kusoma as many courses as possible. Course ni aina nyingi. Kuna accounting, kuna management, kuna computers, kuna IT, kuna finance, kuna CPA. Hata kwa sasa leo katika University ya Chuka kuna kitu yaitwa hackathon, mashindano ya kompyuta. Nani aweza tengeneza solution ambayo yasaidia community hii ambayo ni ya Meru na pia ya Tharaka-Nithi na pia ya Embu.
Nkiripotera weru weekendi kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka egamba ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.